Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 27 August 2022 and the time is 6 p.m. Uh, I think Pavel put the towel in everybody's head yesterday night, but we are able to predict this on 17th itself. A simple based on fortune signals, nothing else. Okay, and 19th was the very important trend change date, and on the last week itself, we are clearly saying that we don't want to take any bank nifty or nifty position home because Dow Jones has given a fake buy. So we don't want to take any position home. Even yesterday, we didn't take any position home, and we clearly decided that we are going to do only intraday transaction in Nifty and Bank Nifty. We don't hold any Nifty and Bank Nifty in our position, but we are holding some stock position. Yes, obviously it's going to hit badly tomorrow. I don't know where it is going to open, but fortunately we don't hold any Nifty and Bank Nifty position. And this is what we are telling for the last 1 week because Dow Jones has given a fake buy on 16th August. And 19th August was the trend change date and everything was collapsed yesterday. But according to me, nothing is so deep, and we will see where all the support is there in Dow Jones and other thing. But this video, first we will talk about what the weekly numbers we discussed yesterday, whether the market respected those numbers or not. Then we will go a little bit deep into Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and S&P. Okay, so now let's go to the screen sharing. Okay, so this is last week numbers for Nifty. The buy is not initiated, 17,851. Even that 17,851 I put in dark only, red only. So this is actually a resistance, but it has not even gone to that level. And on Monday it was a gap down opening, and the number we told was 17,689. Sell this number. All these are targets, and this was the last red color line. And from there, the market from 17,689 came down all the way to 17,351 and again went to 17,689, and our stop loss not got hit and closed to be and closed to be and closed here and closed here. Okay, and let's go to Bank Nifty. Open below this, came down all the way very near to this number, which was our last target, 37,929. The low was 37,955. Okay, and from there it took all the way, went above this 38,809, went above this buy number, touched this first target, and went little bit above. And again, the fall came to 883,809, 809 on the dot, on the dot. Again, it went up. It has not given a buy from there on. Okay, so let's go and see all these numbers. I've already marked everything in the chart. Let's go and see this. Okay, so now stop share, go to the chart. Okay, so this is the Dow Jones video which we made on 17th night, saying that whether Dow Jones made the top. Whether Dow Jones made the top. We started covering Dow Jones every day, day on day, when it gave a fake buy. It gave a fake buy on 16th. We started covering from that day on when it gave a fake buy. So this is what the question which I put, and from there it has happened. Now everybody is jumping that Powell put the towel. No, it is not Powell put the towel. Fortune signals put the towel, and 19th August, the important trend change date, put the towel on US people head, those are holding stock. But according to me, I'm not worried about Nifty or Bank Nifty. Let's go and see all that in the later part of the video. Let's go and check the Nifty numbers. Okay, so 17,689, 17,689 where we need to sell. Market open exactly there only, 17,887, 687, came down all the way. This was a very important number. Again saying 17,351 and 17,161 are very, very important, crucial numbers. 17,351, I'm writing this number every time in my VT. That's a 50% rule number. It's a 50% rule number. So it will try to hold even tomorrow's fall also. I will be worried if when Nifty closes below 16,900 level. Till that time, I am not worried. But we will go with the fortune signals. We will buy initiation only when 16,000, when 15 minutes gives a buy only. I will show you. I will try to cover everything in my webinar or in my weekly PPT. Let's see this number first. So from 17,689 came down all the way to 17,351, and from there again it went up. Again, that's this number, stop loss only 54 points. And again, it came down all the way to 494 and closed at 17,576. 17,576. But according to the closing, this is below that number. So it closed below that only. So it closed below 17,576, which is the yearly important number. Below that number, it is bearish. Above that number is bullish. So it closed below that number. I am telling this number for a very long time. And this was our pivot also for the last week. And if you go to our PPT, you will know this was the last support. It was the last support. Okay. And let's go to Bank Nifty. It was amazing, simply amazing. Okay. Let's go to Bank Nifty. So the Bank Nifty number is sell below 38809. Last target is this number 37,937, but it came down all the way to 37,955. From there went up. We bought from here, we sold here, stop loss got hit one time. Again, we bought, it gave the first target 304, second target it missed, but on the intraday, it made the second target. And again, it came down all the way, touched the pivot, which is 38809. This is the pivot for the week. For last week, this was the pivot. So exactly came down, touched this number, 38809, again went up, but it has not given a buy above 39,204, and it was struggling at 39,204, and it closed below. So amazing work for Nifty. This one, okay, but in the downside, we are able to capture everything. But little stop loss hit somewhere here. And if you go to the PPT, this was the number 38,809 was the weekly pivot. And if you go here, this was the weekly pivot. It has not given buy, and the weekly pivot is here. So 37,576, 37,576, and it's going to be the pivot for next week. It will move from support, it will move to pivot, and the important support will be 17,351, and the next support is 17,161. So now any closing on buy only above 17,576. Anyway, I'll try to cover all this in my separate video on weekly forecast. So as of now, our numbers worked like on the dot. No indicator, nothing, only numbers. So that's why I don't want to go deep into the graph and give a lot of GAN on that. Numbers know everything. Numbers know everything. So now let's go to Dow Jones. Okay, so this is Dow Jones. Okay, the rule is same. The rule is same. What was the rule? We gave a buy call when Dow Jones and Nifty gave a weekly sell. It gave a sell, but it has not become genuine. We said buy with a very minimal stop loss in Dow Jones and Nifty. And from 15,183, it went to 17,900. But I was expecting only 1,000 points pullback on the first side. Then everything was there from 1 hour, everything become bullish. So even the one day also become bullish. But here, if you see on Dow Jones or S&P or NASDAQ, it gave a fake sell, started moving. When you go to daily, it gave a fake buy. Same reply. Exactly, and that is why we said on 17th onwards, we are not going to take any position home on Nifty or Bank Nifty. We'll try to do only intraday. And that is what I'm telling in my video every day. We don't hold any position in the evening. We don't hold any position in the evening. And when it gave this one, this is where it gave a warning signal, and we started covering Dow Jones from 17th onwards, saying that whether the top is made in Dow Jones or not. And from there, the top is already made and started coming down. So now where is the support? These two will act as a major support, and the numbers are here: 32016, 31724. 31724 4. Watch out for this number. And let's go to S&P. Same S&P also gave a fake buy. S&P also gave a fake buy because this is only 3 points up from here. $3, only $3. So this is also a fake buy and got trapped everybody. Now they are enjoying the pain. And where is the support now? 3994, 3951, 3951. And again, Nasdaq, exactly fake buy on the top. None of the candle closed above this high. 13,687 was the high of this candle. None of the candle closed. If I close my this thing, then you will know. Okay. So it started coming down. So where is the support now? The support is 12,323, 12,143. So the rule is same. This is the fake buy means the rule is same even if it is daily or weekly or monthly or even in 1 minute. Even in 30 seconds it works. Even in 30 seconds it works. So let's go and see Dow Jones in 1 minute. Let's go and see Dow Jones in 1 minute. So this was the yesterday's market. This was the yesterday's market. Okay, so it was a buy from here, went up, and suddenly the fall came. Suddenly the fall came, and this has become genuine. So you need to exit your long position here, and you need to go short here, or you can go short at the blue. Okay, so it came, touched the blue, went up. This was the fake buy. None of the candle closed above this candle, the buy initiation candle high. This was the fake buy where again people would have got trapped. Okay, and from there it started coming down in 1 day, going down. It's going down again, went up and touched the blue here, again sell, and this is what we call it as a magical candle. When it cuts the red on the top side, you can sell here. Maybe the stop loss will not be more than $5. Okay, and again that it came all the way down and closed in 1 minute. So this fake buy, it works even in 1 minute also. Even in 1 minute also. It works in crypto, it works in commodities, anything under the sun which is tradable, it works. That's very simple. So that's how it worked yesterday. Okay. So let's see how the market is going to plan out. So now let's go to this. This is also facing too much of issue. Let's go. Okay, so this 1 day ETH has given a buy. ETH has given a buy. BTC has not given a buy. ETC has given a buy. It became genuine, went up, came down, exactly touched the support on the daily. On the blue, it started moving up. And if you go to BTC, it has not given a buy and it is facing problem. That's why we said concentrate on ETH, not on BTC, because ETH has given a buy and it took the support today. It is trading now. Okay, so BTC has not given a buy. So it works in natural gas, everything it works. It works in crude, everything it works. It's just an indicator, so it works in everything. Chalo, anyway, we are not holding any index position home, but we are holding stocks. Obviously, we need to get hit tomorrow. Let's see how much will be the hit tomorrow. Okay, thanks a lot for watching this video. Again, saying I'm not a CBDC investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decisions. And the number which we gave on Friday morning on the expiry number for the whole expiry in the September worked like magic. 39,437 in Bank Nifty future. That was a high. Every time when it goes and touches that number, it retraces back. And that number we gave in the morning itself. That was the expiry game changer number. Till it doesn't go above that number, you need to be a little cautious on Bank Nifty. Also, anyway, I will try to cover deep about Nifty and Bank Nifty in my weekly forecast video. Thanks a lot for seeing this video. If you like it, put the thumbs up. And if possible, you can, the Telegram channel link is given in my description box. You can join and you can join my tomorrow's webinar at 12:30 to 2 o'clock in the afternoon session. talk more about Nifty, Bank Nifty, or whichever stocks which you like. And I'm going to talk about more on one number magic for stocks and all that. This time it was very, very crucial because all the one number magic and the decider number magic are near one and the same. So it's going to decide one side breakout big time, big time. Let's watch and see how it works. And I was expecting in previous of my videos, I clearly mentioned that Nifty will make a top on 28th of August, which was actually tomorrow. Anyway, it was holiday, so 29th of August, but it made little before on itself. That is based on the past, but if possible, I'll try to cover that subject also tomorrow in my weekly webinar. Thanks a lot. See you soon in the next webinar. Good evening. See you soon. Bye.